hold me, baby. Give me one reason to stay here. Oh, I'd turn right back around. Give me one reason to stay here. Oh, I'd turn right back around. Don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Take away my life. I just want someone to hold me and rock me through the night. Give me one reason to stay here. Oh, I turn right back around. Just give me one reason to stay here. Oh, I turn right back around. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Give me one reason to stay here. Oh, I turn right back around. Just give me one reason, baby, and I turn right back around. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Thank you.
Well done, Zion. Good song choice. And keep it up.
Thank you.
Mo, pidang la ban ne bha shushu mo. And nadu pas dang hanu bakut. It was perfect.
Thank you.
Zion, kabasong tunat bha kasur nang taro. I like the way you play guitar. I like how you move while you were playing and you were singing. And also, you can do better. Mo kamo miss. You can do better, and then also maybe sa kandiat tok pila ban kam ang shudur kandiat tok krang bakan mi bha ka to ka kentien gi jong phi mo wat dum ngut gi kentien ro ha.
So Zion, who would you like to choose as your coach?
I think I'll go with Miss Lapudian.
Welcome to my team, Zion.